ओके सो मिड भैया बिल्कुल साइड हुए हैं, आँख में लाइट आई है मेरे। Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So as you all know that Flipkart Glam 2026 is everywhere right now और आज 19th of June है और मैं वहीं जा रही हूँ अभी. I have to reach there by 11 and time is currently 10 a.m. तो let's go एंड आई विल शो यू गाइज द एंटायर थिंग. ऑल्सो अगर वीडियो के बीच में मेरी आवाज़ थोड़ी रैंडमली अच्छी हो जाए या फिर रैंडमली बेकार हो जाए, दैट्स बिकॉज आई हैव टेकन अ माइक बट आई हैव नॉट अटैच्ड इट येट. तो समझ जाना अपने आप. एनीवेज आई एम हेडिंग आउट नाउ एंड लेट्स गो. Okay, so this was my outfit. I wore blue jeans along with a white top and a black belt. And with that, I took a black bag as well as black heels. Then we left for Pragati Maidan. We reached there on time mostly. It was 11:08 when we reached there. So it was pretty much on time. लेकिन इस इवेंट पर टाइम से पहुंचने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं हुआ. पता नहीं कैसा मैनेजमेंट है. आई मीन 11:26 हो रहा है एंड गेट्स अभी तक नहीं. एंड दीज आर द अमाउंट ऑफ क्रिएटर्स जो अभी तक वेटिंग है. And then we finally got the entry, and this was the first thing I saw as soon as I entered. And now we are finally in. This is what the inside looks like. I don't know how audible I am right now, but this is what the inside looks like. इतने creators हैं, इतने creators हैं, can't even tell you. Anyways, so my face looks tired. Why does my face look so dark? I don't know. Is my makeup okay? Yes. Okay, it's the lighting issue. Okay, so now my face looks good. Anyways, अब हम जा रहे हैं अंदर चेकिंग के लिए. चेकिंग करवाएंगे एंड या देन वील जस्ट गो इनसाइड. रश क्योंकि बहुत लेट हो गया है. टाइम इज़ 11:50. एस्टिमेट कर लो कि कितनी देर से हम लाइन में ही खड़े हुए थे. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज़ गोइंग ऑन. मतलब फ्लिपकार्ट के एंड से इतना ऐसा इवेंट है एंड आई डोंट एक्सपेक्ट फ्लिपकार्ट टू बी सच लाइक यू नो व्हाट आई मीन. Now we reached the hall and it took us another half an hour to like process everything and enter the venue. Now I'll be very honest, from my end I feel like this was like a major mismanagement. मतलब आपको पता है इतने creators आने वाले हैं, then you should have taken into account that कि आपने इतनी ad चलवाई है. Obviously there will be so many creators. Anyway, first booth that was assigned to me was Aqualogica and I was here. The shorts is also live, you can check it out, and there were games as well, which was a very good part. Also the Aqualogica staff was really nice, and yeah, I'll just insert a few clips of Aqualogica. I also had a vox pop session. I don't know why my mic didn't pick up the voice, but yeah, I'll be inserting a few clips of that as well. Do check it out. Also about Aqualogica, I forgot to mention that there was also a mascot and it was so cute. I mean, it was looking more like a teddy bear than a sunscreen, I'll be very honest. I use a lot of sunscreen and the sunscreen is actually by Aqualogica.
Pain cream
I
is the
am
most
also holding their hamper right now. I wanted to wear something else but it was so hot. But Aqualogica was my savior, I'll be honest on this.
Great. So, what is that? Expensive skincare or expensive makeup?
Expensive skincare.
सुनो अगर लेकिन यहाँ पे आ रहे सॉक्स वगैरह कुछ
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, my mom is actually standing there. Thank you so much. It was nice. Okay, so the next brand we have is Kenaz, and it was not on the list. It was very spontaneous. I shot a reel for them as well. I also had a session with one of their staff members, and here is the clip of that. Your name?
It's Krishna.
Krishna. And the brand name is Kenaz.
Yes, it's Kenaz.
And what is the brand about? I would like to know more
So
about it.
brand is about giving you different fragrances. Each of our fragrances are unique in their own way. They have different colors, they have different notes, and they introduce you to the essence of Arabia,
Okay.
Middle East fragrances, if you have heard it. So basically, Kenaz means hidden treasure
Got
in
it.
Arabic.
Got it. So if you have to like describe your brand in one word, what would that word be?
So,
Or is it like something जो एक word में describe ही नहीं हो सकता?
see, अगर मैं अपने पर्सपेक्टिव से बोलूँगा तो it cannot be described, but since you have asked and I have told you already, it's a hidden treasure. Like in the price segment, the packaging and the vibe we give, like you will not find anything like this in the market.
Okay, and lastly, I would like to know, is it affordable, expensive, or in the middle?
It is very affordable, and when you will buy it, you will find it very premium. You will not be able to guess the price by the fragrance. It's like that. If you see the packaging, the fragrance, they are literally expensive, but the price is just for the normal people.
Okay, I have smelled your gentleman fragrance,
Okay.
and I won't lie, it is very good. I mean, it feels like it is an expensive perfume. That's why I was not very sure of the price. But if you would quote me something in like thousands, I would agree on it. Yes, it is something of thousand.
If you have this POV about gentlemen, then you should try her Fortuna. Just see this. The packaging, the fragrance, and everything about it. Just try it.
Can I try to?
Yeah, you love it.
Now I get it. What you are trying to say? I get it now. Yeah, I have shot a reel with this,
Okay.
and yeah, stay tuned to watch that. If it's already uploaded, you can check it on my shorts, and if not, stay tuned. Thank you. I did click some pictures on this booth as well. Actually, it was looking so aesthetic, so I had to give it a shot. I was vlogging and I forgot about it as usual. तो ब्रांड्स की वीडियो आपने देख ली है. वीडियो उसी टाइम आपको एडिट करके पोस्ट करनी है. आपको सामने सामने ही देयर आर एडिटिंग कॉर्नर्स, एडिटिंग एरियाज, वो करने हैं. एंड वी ऑल्सो हैव समवन जिसको आप पहले से जानते हो. हाय कुणाल, हाउ आर यू कुणाल?
एकदम बढ़िया.
कैसा लग रहा है आपको मेरे साथ ब्लॉग में आके?
बहुत अच्छा. दूसरी बार आया इस इवेंट में मानने के साथ.
हाँ,
पहले एक बार आया था, दूसरी बार आया हूँ.
करेक्शन, मेरे साथ नहीं आया, मुझे इसने वेट करवाया.
इस बार ही तो मैं अलग से आया हूँ.
हाँ, अलग से रैंडमली आया है और फिर कह रहा है कि मैं नहीं दिख रही. मैं
अलग अलग जगह पे खड़े थे, हम मिल ही नहीं रहे थे उस टाइम पे, बट अब मिल गए फाइनली.
इंसान ही अच्छी हूँ, मैं क्या करूँ. There was also a plane setup, a proper airplane setup by Claire Trip. This is what it looks like from the inside. So this was actually an airplane setup by the brand Claire Trip, and it was looking phenomenal. I mean, I really loved it. The details, every single thing, everything. And they also had air hostess. Like, can you beat that? Okay, so I got this bag from Claire Trip. It's a fanny pack. It has 3 products. And let's see, घर जाके देखते हैं इसमें क्या है. Now comes the second brand. So the second brand that was allotted to me was Colgate, और इसकी मैंने सिर्फ reels shoot करी है. So do check it out on my Instagram. So there is also a Digitech booth, which is very surprising to me. I mean, I was not expecting Digitech here. The Pilgrim booth looks good, like very good. I was clicking some pictures on this booth, and I heard the announcement that Bhumi Pednekar was on stage.
Homegrown house of brands, Honasa Consumer. Allah! Come on, everybody!
Now I'm walking barefoot with my heels in my hand because अब मेरी हालत हो गई है खराब. Now I just want to go home. And yeah, then we obviously headed back. And yeah, guys, now we are back at where we started. I came home at around 5:30 p.m. I guess 5:30, 5:35. I just want to say I am not very happy with the event because बहुत अच्छा हो सकता था. You are calling Bollywood actors, मतलब भूमि पेडनेकर के बाद आई गेस जानवी कपूर थी एंड देन विदांग रैना. आई जस्ट वांट टू से कि भाई बहुत अच्छा इवेंट आप कर सकते थे. आपने इतने अच्छे लेवल पे मार्केटिंग करी थी एंड दिस वाज द रिजल्ट. मिसमैनेजमेंट इतने हाई लेवल पे था कि आई एम नॉट इवन किडिंग. कह रहे हैं 5 हैम्पर्स खत्म हो गए हैं, कोई कुछ भी करे जा रहा है, क्रिएटर्स डिस्प्ले से सामान उठा रहे हैं एंड लाइक व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन. आप ऐसे कैसे कर सकते हो ये? इवन दो द कोफ्लुएंसर टीम वाज देयर टू हेल्प, जिनके कोलैबोरेशन में था, आई गेस दे वर लाइक पार्टनर्स और समथिंग. जो थे वहां पे स्टाफ, दे वर देयर. वो कोशिश कर रहे थे मैनेज करने की, बट इतना ओवर क्राउडेड हो गया था कि मतलब. एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू से कि आप लोगों को पता था कि इतने क्रिएटर्स आएंगे. लाइक यू वर अवेयर, आपने साइन अप करवाया है, यू नो द रिकॉर्ड. तो कैसे हो गया ये? एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू से कि अगर अगला कभी कोई ऐसा इवेंट आता है, आई मोस्ट प्रोबेबली स्टिक टू कि मैं अपना ब्रांड जो मुझे अलॉट हुआ है मैं उस पर जाऊँ, डू देयर शूट एंड ऑल एंड जस्ट हेड बैक बिकॉज it gets a lot messy. Like एकदम ऐसे chaotic सा हो जाता है और फिर आपको होता है कि बस घर चलो, अब बोर नहीं हो रहा. But yeah, it was also an experience, so I just can't say anything else at this point. But okay, this was like the vlog. I don't know कि कैसा बना है, क्या बना है. आज ही मैं वापस आई हूँ, आज ही मैं व्लॉग अपलोड कर रही हूँ. एंड जस्ट लेट मी नो योर थॉट्स इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. एंड या, you know the drill. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video. Until then, take care.